Hello, this is Wendy Petrie. I'm going to show you how to do a fixed modification, which is also known as an FM doc. You want to go to the financials, then up here to jump to, you want to hit FM. Then you want to go ahead and put your unit number, your department number, hit create. Then you want to go to auto numbering and then hit create again. Then here on the general information tab, you want to go ahead and type in your A number here, which in this case, my number is A0502659. And as you can see, it populated an HP book. So we're going to go ahead and just click on that. And then you're going to go ahead and hit auto apply right down here in the right hand corner. And then on the header page, the responsibility center right here, you want to type in your custodian. So you click this little arrow. You want to go over here to custodian name, and mine's already populated. So I go ahead and click on it. Then you hit browse. And then of course I'm right here at the first one. Then all you need to do is hit save, validate, and submit. And that's how you do an FM.